So, this dude came up to me while I was driving this in this Dodge Viper, and I smoked him in this car.
Is this car right here?
Yeah, this car, dude.
Fast car on the street?
It's the fastest car on the street.
All the Mustangs that we got?
Yeah, can't touch this, bro.
Garbage.
Oh, I'm telling you. Like, I've got a T95 64 turbo, and I'm running 95 pounds of boost stock.
How much giggle gas you got, man?
How much what?
Giggle gas.
Giggle gas?
Oh, nitrous.
Oh, man, you know, that's like a 900 shot.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, I'm putting down 5,000 horsepower in this car.
What motor? V16?
No, it's like a K94.
Huh, okay.
It's a new one. Nobody knows about this.
Okay.
It's experimental.
Okay.
Yeah. So, well, if this car went that fast, we'd be going to the moon. We'd blow it up. Guys, welcome back, Remy.
How y'all doing?
Back on the channel again. This kind of surprise video. We're back on KPZ's car. Once again, just got done with brakes. Now it's time for some door speakers because the girl wants to listen to her music too loud and blew her speakers.
She likes to bump.
Yep. A lot.
Too much.
Too much. So we got some kickers, 6.5 inch door speakers we're going to put in. Take you along for the ride. We'll show you one door, but we're going to do both at the same time. That way we can get knocked out quick because we still got more work to do and more videos to shoot. So
yeah, we got work tomorrow, man.
You got to work tomorrow. I'm off tomorrow. I got to work on
lucky.
my Madden.
Your Madden career.
My Madden career on PS4. So, guys, y'all ready to do it?
Let's get it.
Let's do it. Hey, Jacob.
Oh, I was gonna do a transition, man.
Well, I mean, the transition
I
stuff
can't
is
reach.
kind of cool.
Look, I got a car.
Look, take your hand. You're holding it like this, and just go. Oh wait, don't hit yourself. Oh.
All right, let's go, man.
Let's do it.
Because I didn't record that. Sure.
These people want to interfere in our videos. So, we're going to teach you how to put some speakers in. Well, at least on a 2014 roundaboutish Nissan Sentra. Pretty simple. All we got to do is pop this off. This is the cover for the mirror. Sounds like we're breaking everything.
But we're not. It's just plastic.
Alright guys, so we're back in the shop a week later, mainly because this is what we pulled out, and we were trying to put
We got a mess going on.
this into the door. That the speaker needs to be this big. Now these are 6.5 inch speakers, but a lot of Nissans
From factory.
Show
the factory one.
This is the factory.
It almost looks like it has an adapter around it that you cannot take off.
Right.
So we had to go and buy adapters.
Which, thanks to Crutchfield, they had them in stock. KP was able to order them, get them in. We've adapted the speaker to the adapter.
Yep, so now it fits. Alright
guys, since we put heat shrink, or since we soldered the wires, excuse me, we put heat shrink sleeves on here. That way it also helps keep it weatherproof as well. Now, we're going to trace this wire back into the door.
No, up top right or top left.
Yeah, see there was one over here on the other side. We're going to trace this back into the door and get these speakers put in. Guys, for the first time, we're going to close out a video inside a vehicle.
Yeah, man.
Another job done to perfection. KP is ecstatic.
Yeah, she's probably going to end up buying more speakers for the back.
Yeah, we got 2. I'm guessing there's 6.5, just like the front doors possibly. We'll have to look and research it. With Crutchfield. So Crutchfield, you see this, I will tag you guys in this video, I can promise you.
Oh yeah, we love a sponsorship. You know, we only got what 56 subscribers, but hey, we'll take it.
Whatever. I mean,
we'll take a free sound system for my car. I don't know.
Yeah, who knows, man? I mean, my Ultimate really does need the speakers upgraded in it too. So.
Man, 2019, get out of here.
Yeah, but I mean, you can have audio like
I got a 2011, dog.
True. But we do have Goldilocks is going to need a stereo system for that one.
Yes, sir.
But I mean, seriously, Crutchfield's the best place for you guys. Either that or, I mean,
that's really it. Crutchfield is the best.
Yeah, they crush the competition, man. I mean, yeah, you order it online, they ship it in. God, I mean, just.
And don't they show the installation difficulty and all that?
I think they do, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, some of their stuff is plug and play. Some of their stuff is
they actually
they have like OE replacement.
Now, the good thing is Crutchfield actually did have a factory wire plug that we could have got.
Oh yeah.
To tie into the new kicker speakers and then keep the factory plug. But in this case, we just soldered the wire.
And use the plug that came with the speakers.
Yeah, with the speakers. So, man, besides a little faulty aux cord and a factory head unit, this thing sounds really good.
Yeah, there's more bass coming from the 6.5s in the front door than the 6x9s in the back. Yeah.
So, I mean, we're happy. Another good job done.
Yes, sir.
Like always. Like I said before, you don't have to solder wires. If you don't know how to solder, it ain't that big of a deal. But we do have some big stuff coming up. Got a brake job, another brake job.
Yeah. Everybody needing brakes.
Yep. But we're going to use some more TRQ or torque rotors and pads.
The drilled and slotted.
Yeah, the cross drilled and slotted.
Yeah, and even though this video right here isn't a huge like, oh, we're doing upgraded heads on the Mustang or whatever, we're still going to post whatever we do in the shop. We made that promise to his wife, my mom.
Yeah.
And
yeah, if we're turning a wrench, we're recording.
Yeah.
Now,
either way.
We kind of fibbed. If you're watching the other 2 videos that came out, because we actually started this with those 2. We were going to record Remy's Mustang, but
when we took the wheel off, got it jacked up, took the wheel off, and we started messing with the brakes, it was an obvious hardware.
His pads were so thin.
Yeah.
They were actually still the factory pads and rotors on the car. So
yeah, it's like 100,000 miles on it. Yeah.
So it needs new stuff. That's why we're going to do front and rear.
Yep. Just go ahead and do a full brake kit job.
Yes. And that one's going to be interesting because we talked about the actuated calipers on Jacob's car on the rear that twist in. So you actually get to see how that works compared to just a regular piston caliper. But I mean, dude, we got some good stuff still coming. It got a little late on us tonight.
Yep.
We both have to get up early. I've got to go into deep Nashville tomorrow and all next week to work.
Yeah, so you gotta get up early. But
early.
Yeah, we're gonna
bed, early to rise.
Yeah, we're gonna try to get those videos done as quick as possible and out as quick as possible.
Yeah, because we still got to do headlights and fog lights on the Jeep that we did the tail lights on, and that's going to be some wire and stuff. I mean, it's all plug and play, but the fog lights actually have turn signals and turn signal rings around them, so we got to wire that in, search for the wire, that kind of stuff. The headlights are pretty much plug and play too, but I think there's some extra stuff that we got to do.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because it is they're color changing LEDs, headlights, so that's going to be sick and fun to do as well. So guys, keep watching, keep liking, share these videos, man. Get them out there.
Yep.
You know, every little bit helps bring up that subscriber count. I mean, we love you guys. All 56 of you now.
Yep.
It was 54 last week, and now it's 56. So we appreciate this, everybody that has subscribed, everybody that likes these videos. We deeply appreciate it. And we got a special vlog coming next weekend.
Yep, possibly. Yep.
Pretty sure.
All right, cool.
We're
Do it to him, man.
I'll do it. We're me and Mama Aftermath are taking Red Rocket on a trip to Georgia.
Yeah,
So
man.
we'll be going down what we call it's called Signal Mountain. It's Highway 111. So we'll be going down some twisties in the Red Rocket.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like 450 miles, I think it is. So
That'll be fun.
yeah, we're gonna vlog pretty much the whole weekend, or we're gonna try to at least. We
Yep.
probably won't vlog everything, but
At least a trip.
yeah.
You got some good scenery shots.
Oh, dude, it's October.
Yeah.
October in
perfect.
Tennessee.
Perfect.
You know, we're
Wish I could go, but
yeah, I know. Unlike Goon Squad's down in Chattanooga, which now they do have the house now that they're working on
yeah, it's got a pretty good
up
view.
on the mountain. We're going to be heading toward Chattanooga, but we're up on the Upper Cumberland Plateau is what they call it.
Mm-hmm.
So we're up higher than what they are. The trees around here, man, going down the interstate is awesome this time of year. Call me a dork, but something about the trees, the leaves changing colors is cool.
It just looks crazy.
It's beautiful down through there. So we'll definitely show y'all some of that footage and so on and so forth.
Yep.
Because I know come Friday we got break job. Saturday we're leaving. Sunday we'll be back. Jacob will have some videos to edit.
Yep.
Other than that, man, you got anything to say,
Nope.
little Bubba?
Not really.
Guys, we love you.
Except stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned because
Yeah,
we do have some good stuff coming up.
Yeah, we got quite a bit. Trying to save some money for some parts for some vehicles.
Yeah, because we
Trying
may sweep one under the carpet on you. You never know.
Yeah, true.
We may sneak some stuff in and not tell anybody.
Who knows?
That's what happens when you sit around and you're trying to get out there on YouTube and you put two big brains together like ours. You start coming up with stuff like, you know what? Maybe we shouldn't show this and we should do it and then show it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah. Guys, follow us on Instagram. Link's going to be down below. Go check us out on Facebook. Aftermath Garage Facebook, or Aftermath Garage YouTube channel. Go
on Facebook.
On Facebook, there we go. Go follow us on Facebook as well. Share the videos, like them. Let's keep this thing rolling, man. Let's keep this channel growing.
Yes, sir.
Man. Oh, also I forgot to say, we got some stuff coming this weekend while I'm in Georgia. We've had some secret stuff happening behind the scenes thanks to a family member.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a new look for us in the shop. Yeah. But other than that, guys, we love you. Always remember, because we're doing it every day, dream big.